This video is sponsored by ZEELOOL.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily. If you're new here, welcome. I am the Bronze Wolf. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some brand new glasses sent to me by ZEELOOL. Now, before you click away from this video for being a sponsored post, I just want to let you know that I have ordered from this company before and I probably wouldn't have taken them up on the offer if I hadn't first tried their products by spending my own money. You may recognize these glasses if you follow me on Instagram or on Twitch when I stream. These are my favorite glasses to stream in because they are big, bold, they are blue light blocking, and I did spend my own money on them probably almost a year ago. ZEELOOL's official website, ZEELOOL.com, always has some sort of promotion going on. Right now, if you spend $80, you get $10 off, and some frames are starting as low as $3. ZEELOOL's affordable prices allows you to get stylish glasses for a fraction of the cost of buying them from the optometrist. Not only do you have access to some great deals, you also have a large variety of lenses and types of lenses to pick from. If you want prescription, you can get prescription. If you want no prescription and just the stylish frames yourself, you can do that. If you just want blue blocking glasses, you can also do that. They have affordable options for men, women, and kids, as well as sunglasses. And you don't even have to get them in prescription. Just like everything else, you can just buy the frames. ZEELOOL reached out to me earlier this month and asked if I would be open to collaborating and reviewing some glasses. I said yes because from the 2 pairs that I already bought from them, I was very happy with and have actually recommended to people before, but now I have 6 more to try and probably 6 styles that I maybe not would have picked for myself, but still look good. As you can see, I have not opened this box yet. They did send me an email with the contents of it, but I haven't looked too closely at it because I wanted to be a surprise and have no preconceived notions going into this of the quality of the 6 random glasses that they sent me. Let's go ahead and open her up. There we go. That is so much fun. Okay, cool. Yep, they are all blue light blocking. Okay. Here we go. So they all do come in a little baggie, little protective baggie with the company name on it. Okay. It is wrapped in a microfiber cloth and a protective coating. Oh my gosh, I'm already so excited. Let's go ahead and peel that off. Oh, that was so satisfying. First pair. Ooh. Oh, those are so cute. Oh my gosh. Let's see. These ones are called Ellen. They are so chic, very vintagey. I love the cat eye. Let's see. Can I rock a ponytail? Can I rock a ponytail with these? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, those were really cute. Oh my gosh, and they're so shiny and they feel really good. Like just enough springiness in the arms. They are adorable. Oh my gosh. And I like the slight floating frame. Yeah, I'm really happy with those. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. These ones are called Chandrakar. Ooh. They're a little lighter than the last pair. I like the pink and like the kind of marbled look. I love the gold noseband. Okay, yeah, these definitely want to sit further down my nose. Yeah, these are really cute. I wasn't too sure when I first pulled them out because these aren't ones that I would normally pick for myself, but I'm glad that I have them because they are really cute. Like the kind of like cheetah marbling pink with the brown. And I love the little detail with the gold noseband. Now this lovely lady is called Martha. I'm really happy with these ones because I was thinking of getting clear cat eye glasses anyway, just because they can be styled with so much. And sometimes you want to make your eye makeup pop, but you still want to see like when you go to the movies or something. And just like the Chandrakar, they have a gold noseband in the middle right here. Again, a lovely detail that I really like. Now, out of all 6 pairs, I think this was the pair I was most apprehensive about because they are very round compared to the other ones, but I honestly think she might be my favorite so far. But the detail on the arms, and again, like Martha and Chandrakar, there is the gold band in the middle. They are very comfortable. These ones would definitely sit further down the nose, kind of like right on the bridge, at least where the bridge of my nose is. But like even with my hair down, let's see, what about a ponytail? Yeah, like even with a ponytail, she's still really cute. I really like these ones. These ones are the style Filoni. They are a like clear pink toned plastic with a plastic noseband. My only complaint with these ones is they are a little wide around the nose, so they do need to sit a little further down. I really like the simplicity of these frames. The beveling around the lenses is a nice detail that gives it like a geometric dimension. And the details on the metal bits of the arms inside the plastic that are still visible is also a very nice detail because again, it adds a little more character to it without drawing away from the simplicity. Now we do have one more pair to go, and she does look very similar to the Chandrakar, but she has metal arms and a plastic solid noseband. Oh, that's cold. Yeah. Again, like you can't go wrong with a cat eye. And the marble effect is something I normally wouldn't pick for myself. These ones are called Hillary. Again, the marble effect isn't something I would normally choose for myself, but I'm glad that these were in the box because I found that I like the way that it looks. If you're someone who is hesitant about getting glasses online because you're not sure of the quality or if your prescription will be right, I would definitely recommend starting with ZEELOOL because they're one of the companies I started with when I first started buying glasses online, and now collabing with them, I'm very happy with the product, the company, the quality. If you're wanting to give any of these glasses a try for yourself, you see one that you really like, whether it's the Hillary or the Chandrakar, I will have all of them linked below along with a 10% off coupon code BRONZEWOLF. Again, thank you so much to ZEELOOL for reaching out to me and sponsoring this video. I am very happy with all the styles that you sent me, with the look and the quality, and thank you so much for communicating with me during the whole process. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. If you like that, make sure to like and subscribe. All the links to all these frames as well as ZEELOOL's website will be linked below, and my discount code. Also, let me know what you want to see more from this channel. You can also go follow me on Instagram to see what I'm doing day to day, and also keep on top of when I will be streaming on Twitch. Again, thank you to ZEELOOL for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!